Welcome to another episode of Carpet Cleaning Guys Vlogs. Today I'm back at the hotel and I'm doing 4 units today. I previously posted a video where I had cleaned them and used War on P, which is an enzyme, and totally eradicated the odor, and I mean they were really bad. So let's see what I can do today. I am going to use a little bit of War on P in my premix. And then I'm going to also use the Odor Death Stabilized CO2. You can see I got all my equipment ready. I chose to use the microfiber pads because it's not really about the dirt. It's about absorbing out as much of the pet dander and other stuff. I'm using a CD glider. You can see this particular Velcro is the thicker. I think it's a 15-pound. So it holds really good, but it allows for this pad to spin a little more freely throughout the carpet here. These are flat commercial carpets in all the rooms. I'll show you the other one here on the right. And then I have the same situation just right next door, 2 units side by side. So 4 of them very conveniently placed. I'll get these all pre-vacuumed. And then I'm going to come through, pre-spray everything really good. I'm going to get some of the stuff up off the carpets and put the curtains up in the window seals. And then we'll get going on it. Let's see how it comes out. All right, let's hop on the Orbot Vibe and go for a spin. The tag on the bottom of the pad, you can see it looks like it's rotating very slowly, but trust me, it's not. This is not a rotary machine. A rotary machine spins in a 360-degree circle, so it would appear to spin a lot quicker. But an orbital machine is orbiting in a random motion, and it's working its way, kind of like if you take a washcloth and you put water and soap on it and you wash your table with that. You wouldn't just spin in a straight circle. You'd be kind of rotating around as you move the washcloth. That's the same premise here. And I do have that CD glider on there, so it is moving really, really well. And it's cleaning very well. I'll show you the pad here in a moment. And then when I switch over, I think I can get away with 1 pad for 2 rooms because they're so thick and absorbent. I'll use one side in one room, then we'll rotate over to the other room. We'll turn the pad over. And again, I'm working around the beds, just the main traffic areas. So let's check it out. Oh yeah, had to put that cord up through the handle. Made it easier. And we got this room all knocked out. This is the only carpet that I'll probably bring the brush in and groom. Check it out. You could see where the glider was, seated glider was right in the center, where no dirt was touching, so you could see the dirt all around that additional area. Okay, and here we go. Obviously, you look down at the pattern on the carpet, you could see I'm in another room with a different carpet. I'll go through this one and get it all cleaned up. And like I said, it's not a matter really on this job of the cleaning, as these are not that bad. It's more getting all the pet hair, pet dander. If there's any urine, there's just a dog smell in 3 of them, then there's a real urine smell in the 4th one. So that one, I'll mix the War on Pee a little heavier and then post-treat with the ClO2. I could just use ClO2, the odor death, and handle all the odor, no problem at all. But when I say post-spray with the ClO2, I'm just putting it in a spray bottle. I'll show you that here in a minute. I'm just misting over the top to let that settle on the surface of the carpet, just to take care of any other odors that might come up. But for the most part, the War on Pee is going to eradicate all the odors, and we'll have no problem there. I did pull the items out of the closets and vacuum the closets, and I did pre-spray those. I'm going to use my agitation brush on those areas, and that should be fine since it's an encapsulation process. I didn't want to put the Orbot Vibe into the closets because they have the glass mirror sliding doors. Trust me, you want to be very careful. Now, you can bring the Auric Orbiter in and probably use that if you wanted to, but the closets look virtually brand new, so we'll just end cap them with the rolling brush. And then I'll show you again the pad on this room. This will be the second side. So we used one side, we'll flip it over. There you go. And once again, a different style carpet. These are basically the same style rooms, 2 queen beds, that type of setup, the bathroom by the front door. They just have been, over the years, changing different styles of carpets in different rooms, trying to see which works best. Now, this is the original carpet, and I've been doing this hotel for many, many years. The thing about this carpet is this is one of the original carpets. It's in good shape, but it is similar to, you may have seen me do a few commercial jobs where the carpet bubbles up or you get those ripples. That's what happens with this particular carpet because it's so flat, and I think it has like a neoprene rubberized backing for padding, and it's not glued down. So you probably won't see the buckling, but I'm done there. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna mix up my odor death to do the final mist. Yes, I cut the cap off. I can never get that gripper tape off, but I am thankful that the Encap store provides that because I never have any damaged or leaky products, which is awesome. There you go, odor death stabilized ClO2. You mix it at 12 ounces per gallon of water. So I'm gonna do the math, break it down, and set it up in my 32-ounce sprayer so I can just trigger spray it. There you go. I'm gonna use the 12-ounce option. This stuff goes a long way and it works incredible. Once again, I appreciate all my loyal subscribers, and I do love all my viewers. If you're not subscribed, please do so. I know when you subscribe, and I appreciate it. I do have a high percentage of viewers that are not subscribed, so go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Let's go. And I'll be posting more videos really soon. Appreciate y'all. Stay tuned.